Welcome to Steaking House, everybody, and today we're gonna make a battle between the picanha, which is, you know, as everybody knows, the best steak in the world, for a Brazilian, of course, versus the ribeye, which is basically the most famous steak in the United States and Argentina. They call it ojo del bife. Uruguay, well, many places consider the ribeye as the most important steak in the cow. But for the Brazilians, which I am one of them, the picanha is the king, actually the queen. I don't know if it's a fair comparison. The ribeye is dry aged and the picanha is not. So maybe not a very good comparison, fair comparison. But let's see what happens, guys. So we're gonna sous vide these guys for about 3 hours in 129 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, 3 hours have passed, and now it's time of the truth. Let's put some fire in them. Fire! Alright guys, I'm here with Flávio, my friend, and we are gonna taste this amazing ribeye, dry aged, don't forget about it, and the picanha, guys. This picanha looks amazing. We're gonna try and see what happens, guys. I put my bets on the picanha. But that's a ribeye, guys. That's always, we never know, man. So let's gonna try this first. You wanna try the picanha first or the ribeye first?
Let's go with the ribeye.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'll try this one.
I'm gonna try this one.
Wow.
Dry aged, guys.
Yeah.
That's fucking amazing.
That's so good, man. Jesus. Yeah.
Wow.
Got it. So fucking good.
Let's go for the picanha or let's take with the ribeye?
No. I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna try the picanha.
Oh my. Yeah.
What?
I'm sorry.
Holy crap, man. This is
I'm sorry.
I don't know.
I think that's just because I'm fucking Brazilian and Lot better.
The picanha is amazing, guys.
Let me try one on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna have another one because
One more time,
I'm sorry, guys. My wife is
please.
like here crazy for this.
Wow. Yeah, ribeye is good, you know. I don't know.
Guys, the picanha, fresh picanha,
Far better.
today won against the ribeye dry aged 28 days.
Wow. And that wasn't a fair play.
We're gonna devour the steaks now, and I hope you guys do that at home because the picanha is just awesome, guys. You gotta try it. If you never had picanha in your life, you gotta do it. So
Do it right now.
yeah, do it right now.
Why not?
And guys, if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, guys. We're gonna keep doing steaks indoors, guys. Steaks indoors. This is restaurant quality stuff, guys. You gotta try this at home. I see you in the next one.
More. Let's do one. Okay.